Okay, well, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a couple of years since I've posted anything. This is part one of my e-bike build. First off, I'm building a frame to situate the boxes, as you can see by the piece of wood that's already been attached. On the back is my old box with batteries, electrics and whatnot in. That's going to be changed and going into the frame, where the batteries will be more centralised to stabilise the weight, and then I'll add motors, brakes, etc, etc. I'll post another video on my next stage. Thank you.